Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. How does Hotmart work to earn money from home? So make sure to watch the full video. Did you know that Hotmart is a multinational organization that supports online learning and entrepreneurship by providing a full ecosystem that provides the best possible user experience for both course creators and their students? Discover how Hotmart functions in this video. Beyond that, we are an organization with the goal of assisting anyone who joins our universe to broaden their horizons, whether it be by starting an online business to earn more money or enrolling in an online course to learn new skills. How exactly does Hotmart operate? A leading tech and education company is called Hotmart with offices in Brazil, Spain, Colombia, Mexico, the United States, the United Kingdom, and Mexico. We are a market leader in digital products. Our headquarters are in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. We have more than 370,000 registered products, 26 million users, and sales in more than 185 countries. We also provide a complete ecosystem for creators, affiliates, and online course purchasers. Because we believe that learning transforms everything, our mission is to support people in pursuing their passions by educating others and fostering their professional and personal development. In addition, Hotmart provides resources and services for developing, promoting, and selling digital goods. In this manner, anyone can create new opportunities by expanding their business online. Here's how Hotmart functions in a nutshell. To share their expertise with the world, experts in a particular field produce products, such as online courses or ebooks. In exchange for commissions on each sale made, individuals with an online following or sales prowess assist in promoting and selling this product to consumers. The product on our platform can be bought by a customer looking for new information by using our search page or by clicking on a link provided by an affiliate or creator. In other words, Hotmart is a learning platform that offers solutions for growing online businesses, hosts online courses, and manages payments all in one location. What are digital goods, exactly? You must first understand what digital products are in order to understand who creators and affiliates are and which is best for you. Digital goods are typically printed educational materials that are distributed online in a digital format. Digital products come in a variety of forms, including online courses, video lessons, and ebooks, among others. Due to the convenience of learning about a variety of topics without leaving the house, they have become very popular among consumers. In other words, they are a market-proven, usable content format that is becoming more and more popular. Because of their geographic reach and, primarily, because this business model makes it simpler to scale profits, digital products present great opportunities for entrepreneurs. But how precisely does that operate? A creator's course can now be purchased online and accessed by a person who lives in Japan without them having to ship anything or travel anywhere. One customer may be accessing the digital product while another is doing so elsewhere in the world. In other words, it's a scalable business model that allows revenue to grow rapidly without necessitating corresponding increases in costs. A creator does not need to start from scratch each time a new customer purchases from them because their product is entirely digital. They can sell thousands of units with just one product. Visit our post where we define digital products and explain how to monetize them. To learn more about this subject, creators are who? Knowing what a digital product is now will help you determine your place in the market. Creators and affiliates play the two main roles, respectively. Digital content producers are known as creators. A Hotmart creator could be an influencer, a blogger, or anyone who is an expert in a field and has chosen to develop a product, share their knowledge with the world, and teach others. One who creates for Hotmart? Anyone can create a Hotmart. Despite the cliché that might come to mind, all you need to do is be familiar with using the internet and content creation. Your tenacity as an entrepreneur and your willingness to learn through your own business are what will really set you apart. Categories of digital goods. Various kinds of digital content can currently be purchased at Hotmart. Ebooks in the PDF or EPUB formats, documents, .rtf, audiobooks, and music MP3, WMA, video lectures, talks, and screencasts, MPEG, FLV, MOV, WMV, software, .exe, .mc, images, podcasts, scripts, and any other file types that can be downloaded. Additionally, it is possible to build subscriptions for membership services, exclusive websites, coaching, and other products where customers must make recurring payments. In this instance, The creator can host their members area with Hotmart and integrate the registration process on their own website with the Hotmart ecosystem if they so choose. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comment section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.